SJ here from MarineMax Cross Lake, where we just got in a 2026 Barletta Aria 22 QC. QC standing for quad couches and co-captain's chairs. So we have 4 couches, 2 in the bow, 2 at the stern, and 2 side-by-side captain seats with high backs. These swivel, slide, recline. We've got movable armrests, and your co-captain has a phone holder and a charger for their phone. This has both the USB-C and the USB. We have a doggy dish here. This can get taken out, put some food and water in there, stick it back in the boat once it's clean and you're ready to go. You have in-floor storage. On the port side, both of these couches have the JBL speaker. Awesome location here, so the sound is right here. You don't have to crank it up from the floor to get the noise up to your ears. It's right here in the midship. And then we have these cup holders, same as the starboard side, except on this side you have your USB and USB-C charging receptacles for your phone. These are all in-seat storage, awesome hinges, really clean plastic molding in there. And in the front, you've got a trash bin. It's powered by a Mercury 150 outboard motor. We've got the Lowrance Eagle 5 fish finder navigation at the helm, your Bluetooth stereo system head unit, and the exterior is black diamond and macaw red. So this boat won't last long. It's located at MarineMax in Cross Lake, Minnesota. We have dozens of Barletta pontoons in stock and ready for you and your family to come test drive and get out on the water this summer in a new pontoon.